Well, hello again mga ka-friendships. So sa video natin ngayon, gagawa tayo ng carrot walnut cake. And ito lahat yung ating ingredients na kakailanganin sa paggawa ng Mga ka-friendship, so una natin gagawin is ihalo natin lahat yung ating dry ingredients and to mix it really well till well combined. In a separate bowl, paghalu-haluin natin yung ating brown sugar, yung oil, and yung 2 eggs one at a time. Now, kapag smooth na yung consistency ng ating brown sugar mixture, ihahalo na natin ngayon yung ating yogurt. Now mga ka-friendship, we will gradually add in yung ating dry ingredients sa ating wet ingredients and then i-combine natin siya by mixing it very well hanggang sa wala na tayong makitang lumps of flour. Ngayon, kapag na-achieve na natin yung smooth consistency, i-add naman natin yung ating grated carrots and then yung ating walnuts. It's baking time, so i-bake na natin at 250 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So habang nagbe-bake yung ating cake, gawin na natin yung ating frosting. Sa ating mixer, i-cream natin yung ating softened butter. We will whisk it hanggang maging very creamy siya, and then tsaka natin i-add yung ating cream cheese. And yung gamit kong cream cheese is itong 5%, so magiging medyo runny siya. Now, kapag medyo nag-thicken yung ating cream cheese mixture, i-add naman natin yung ating powdered sugar. Now, let's pour our frosting sa ating cake.